Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have this really cute editorial graphic liner look, and if you want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. So I'm just using this e.l.f. eyeliner. You can use whatever eyeliner you like. You can do a super bold dramatic wing liner, or you can do a small one like I did. So this is what it should look like when you're done. Next, you're gonna go ahead and basically cut your crease. So basically you can just watch what I'm doing to see what I'm talking about. I don't really know how to describe the shape that this is, but like I'm not going all the way to my inner corner. I'm just going like halfway. Alright, so when you're all done with that, this is basically what it should look like. And then I'm using the white liquid liner by NYX to basically create this geometric shape. I don't even know how to describe it, so I hope you guys can get a good picture of what I'm doing by just watching the video and following along with me. But if not, I really hope you guys can still create a dope look that's inspired by this or something similar. Either way, I still think it's cute, and I'm sure there's so many different ways you can make it your own. So in this part, as you can see, like the left one is like way lighter than the right one. So basically I just mapped out really lightly what type of look I wanted to go for, because I had no idea what I was doing. I basically just figured it out as I was going. So the more you like the shape that you've created, the more product you can apply. So just to tie the whole look together, I basically like created a small white triangle underneath my liner, just to like give it some balance. As you can see on the other side of my eye, I like filled in the triangle, but on this one I'm just gonna leave it empty because I think it's like cute. I think it's real cute and different. Like it's I don't know, like what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know how you guys feel about this look so far. So now I'm just putting on some lashes. These are some beauty supply store lashes. I don't even remember the name because I ripped the package up. Using the Unicorn Glow palette. And I got this from Amazon if I'm not mistaken. I'll try to leave it in the description bar if I don't forget. And then I'm taking this LA Color setting spray to set my whole face. Yeah, this is basically it for the video. I really love how this look came out. Like this is my first like editorial type of look, and I honestly think it came out so bomb. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm just showing you guys my outfit of the day. I have a thrift haul video coming out very soon, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look and if you would wear it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.